This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we've got a really easy one. This is a Bosch stove that is not lighting well. It clicks and just doesn't light. So we're going to correct this. So just take a couple of seconds. We took off the burner cap, and then we're going to get something that's kind of sharp and pointy. I'm going to use this thing called an owl, but you could use a straightened paper clip, would work fine too. Just need something kind of skinny to get inside this little hole. Once you get inside the little hole, you just twist around whatever tool you have, wiggle it around. It'll break up some of the debris that's caught inside that gas jet. And once that debris is broken free, when you turn it on, it'll blow out all the debris and the gas will come out much faster and much more likely to light when it clicks, and also it'll give you a really nice flame. So once you've done that, you just put the burner cap back on. Make sure the burner cap's nice and clean. And if you see a little bit of rust there, you can use a wire brush to clean it off. And then when you go for the flame, it'll light probably on the first click and you'll have a nice strong flame. So it's really easy to do, lots of fun because it just takes a few seconds and it makes your stove work really good again. Usually it's the front two burners that have the most problem. They get dirty and then they don't light as well. So we're going to put the grill back on. I think I put it on backwards here originally, so just flip it around and it goes back on and you will be back in business. So thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped you out. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.